What's up, guys? Today we have the Jetson Strike all-terrain hoverboard. And we just got this from Target, and it only sells there, I think. So the max speed for this is 9 miles per hour, and it can go up to 10 miles. Yeah, those are just the basics. A list of all the stuff right here. And yeah, let's get right into unboxing it. Open up this.
Yes.
Smells fresh. Here you have all the instructions right there in the warranty guide. Our Jetson branded charger. Take all the styrofoam out. And then we got the hoverboard. Guys, this is like monstrous heavy. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a beast. This is so heavy. This is so heavy, guys. Okay, so we're just gonna really quick sit this down. So guys, now I'm gonna go over all the different features. So starting on the wheels, little hubcap plates have lights over here with that, it's really hard to see, the J logo, the Jetson logo. And the back we have charging port right there. And the reflectors, 2 of them right there. And here's the power button, which I will power on right now. Whoa. Whoa, guys. Whoa. That's pretty sick. So I really do not want to press anything else right now because, you know, I haven't read the directions yet, but really sick. And here's the pads where you put your feet on. Yeah. In the front here, we have the 2 lights that come on. Right here and right here. See, that's pretty much it for the boxing experience. Now we'll get into the riding.
So guys, it's fully charged now, and I'm gonna try riding it. I've never really ridden one before, so let's get into it. Ready? Okay, test 1. I don't really know what's happening with this thing, but why don't you go inside? How do you ride this?
Okay guys, this is me going on right now.
For some reason it does this really weird beeping. I really don't know if it's supposed to do that, but be careful where you go. No. Did you that cool spin?
What spin?
Doesn't mean like go like this, one direction and it turns around. Like fast though. I know, I could probably do that after I get more of the hang of it. Woo! Okay, going down one more time. Go fast. So the top speed is 9 miles an hour. As I'm saying. Now I'm slowing down.
Hello guys, it's Claudia giving you the onboard experience of riding the hoverboard.
Jetson Strike.
It's kind of fun, but also kind of scary. I had to use a little car to like help me, but once you got the hang of it, it's kind of easy. See, I'm kind of going slow. Sure. So I'm gonna go a little faster. Okay. And it's kind of relaxing. Also kind of scary. Like I said before. Here we go. I wanna slam into a
Now it's not beeping like crazy.
Okay, there we go. Moving forward. A little faster. Moving forward. Woo. This hurts my legs. Okay. Let's go a little faster. Okay. See ya.
It looks so cool when you're riding on it. Okay, my turn.
Everybody dance now.
Yeah, it doesn't take really too long to learn. Okay, get off. Today we're here to document Nico's life. Welcome to Nico's stupid unboxing video. Let's go.